Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust controls of your Nothing Ear stick. So you have to go to the controls in the application and you can select between the left and the right one. And you've got the double pitch, triple pitch, pitch and hold, double pitch and hold, and single pitch. And the last one is not actually, we cannot customize this last option. So for example, let's go for the double pinch. And currently it's set up to the skip forward. I want to get, for example, the voice assistant. And let's do also the same for the right one. And on the right one, I want to get the skip back. And then you can just go back. And right now we can adjust every parameter right here. If you want to reset, click on this place. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.